Hi guys, today I'm with my grandma and we're making she's gonna be handing me the stuff. We're making a chocolate wacky cake that is absolutely vegan. So
Very tasty.
yeah, it's very tasty. So I'm not gonna be telling you that, but like I'm gonna be telling you what you need. So you need salt, you need baking soda, you need cocoa, you need what's this? Vinegar. You will need flour and you'll need oil and you'll need vanilla. So let's get started.
1 cup of flour.
1 cup of flour right here. We pour it into your little dish, like a cake dish, the shape you want your cake.
I thought the show.
Wait, I want to show it. So yeah, here. Okay. My grandma's not really going to show up in this video. She's just going to be handing me the stuff.
Half.
And then a half a cup of flour. Like 1.5 a cup.
Yep.
Okay, 1.5 cup of flour. So I'm going to pour the half cup.
A 1/4 cup of cocoa.
A 1/4 cup of cocoa. Wait, my grandma's just gonna get. You will also need, a 1/4 cup of cocoa. It's chocolate. Or I guess that's what makes it chocolatey, right, Grandma?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what makes it chocolatey. And good. Now you'll have to stir it until it's blended. So I have my spoon right here. I'm just gonna stir it. Okay, stirred, and now you'll need a half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm just gonna put it in.
And stir again.
And you stir it again. This time I'm not gonna pause the video because it's getting short. So I'm just stirring it. Make sure it's all beige, like this. I don't really think you can see it really well in color because some settings in my camera lighting, but it's like that. So wait, I'm just gonna okay, now what, Grandma? I stirred.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
Half a teaspoon of salt now. Don't mind the background things. Okay. Oh yeah, half a teaspoon of salt.
Hold the dish while you're stirring.
Okay. Now you stir it.
A teaspoon of vanilla.
You'll need also a teaspoon of vanilla.
I'll just make sure everything's mixed.
Oh, and my grandma's just finishing up stirring. So, yeah.
Okay, now you make 3 holes.
Make 3 holes in your dish.
A small one.
A small one. A
medium-sized
one. And a big one.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's like, yeah. And, so these 3 holes are very important so your ingredients don't go spilling all over the place. So please don't ignore this step. Okay, now you'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla, is that?
Yeah.
A vanilla in your smallest hole. Can I do that? Wait. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, wait, where's the sugar go? Oh, we forgot the sugar. What do we do now?
Put a cup of sugar in.
We just put it. Okay. Don't do that mistake. Yeah, don't do that mistake. Okay. You do the sugar right before you do the 3 holes, and then you do the. Oh my god, that looks terrible. We have to do it again, right? Wait, can I stir?
Yeah.
It looks terrible.
It's okay. It'll turn out.
And yeah, but if you did that same mistake, try that again, but just doing the sugar like before. So yeah. But I hope everything turned out for you guys because if you made the same mistake,
It'll still turn out.
yeah, it'll still turn out, but there's gonna be too much vanilla.
No. We just put a teaspoon. We're not going to put another teaspoon.
Wait, what? We're not?
If we do, there'll be too much. So anyway, in the bigger hole.
In the medium hole. Yeah, we're just doing 2 holes this time because we already did that first hole. Yeah, sorry about that. Wait, so my grandma's just preparing.
So 6 tablespoons.
6 tablespoons of oil.
Yes.
6 tablespoons of oil in your biggest hole. Yeah, 6 tablespoons of oil in your biggest hole. Okay. Wait, I'm just waiting.
What's that?
It says, "Let's do lunch." It's a trademark of Gabby Concept Ltd. Wait. We almost spilled it. Oops. Now it's flowing. I think it's too much, Grandma. I think it's.
Well, and
Alright, we're taking off.
Bye, Devin.
Bye. I'm coming back tomorrow.
Also, in your medium hole, you put vinegar, and then I think you stir.
no, you put the hot water.
And then you put hot water in it. Yeah, ask a parent to do that, or an adult to do that because
It's warm water.
yeah, warm water. That's what I said.
Oh, I thought you said hot water.
Oh, okay. It's warm water, not hot water. Big difference.
Where's the vinegar? Oh, here's the vinegar.
Okay, we found the vinegar.
Oh,
That's a big.
it's not open.
Oh.
Is there another one that's
No,
open?
no, I don't think so. Wait, sorry about that.
Oh yeah, there's one open.
Oh, there is one open?
Yeah.
Are you sure that's vinegar? Can I see?
Smell it.
Wait. Yep.
Smell.
Yeah, it smells like. Oh my gosh, I love that smell.
Vinegar.
I love that smell.
How much vinegar? See?
1, 2.
1.
1. Wait.
1 tablespoon.
One.
So that's 2 teaspoons.
So you'll need 2 teaspoons of vinegar in your medium-sized hole, and then you put hot water.
Warm water.
Then you put warm water on it. Wait, we're gonna put warm water. You'll need 1 cup of warm water. Yeah. You just
over top.
Okay, you just pour.
Then you mix it.
So you just pour the cup of warm water. You just put it on. It doesn't matter which hole, where. Now you just stir. So I'm gonna stir this real quick. So okay, so we're finished stirring. It's so chocolatey and good now. Like it smells so good. You should try out this recipe. Can I do a taste test?
Yeah. I just noticed when you raised it up, there was a little bit of white on the corners.
Oh.
So we'll level it off and then.
Okay, yeah. So can I do it?
No.
Hmm.
You can lick the spatula.
Okay.
We'll put it in the microwave.
How long?
8 minutes.
So put it in the microwave for 8 minutes. I'm just gonna.
4 minutes on medium high.
Wait, what?
I mean, 4 minutes on high.
Oh, actually, not 8 minutes. 4 minutes on high.
And
And
4 minutes
4
on
minutes
medium low.
on medium low. So you do 4. What? Can you just tell them? Can you just say it?
Maybe you should just write it out. That way you can just do it once.
4 minutes on high.
4 minutes on high and 4 minutes on medium. Okay. So we did it. We made it. I have my other mitts because I took it out. I'm gonna show you this chocolatey wonderfulness. Right here, still a bit hot, so I'm not gonna put my device too close to it. But there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and sometime you can try it because it's vegan and it's yummy. So this is one of the pieces individually. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and share, and with your friends and family. Bye!